Ito, ipakita lang natin ha kasi importante ito eh. Ngayong araw na ito sinuspinde nirekomendang isuspindihin si Kiko Barsaga ng 60 days. Okay? Pero kanina, tingnan nyo, may konting tension. Konti lang naman, ha? Konti lang. Ito. Yan. Pasok. Pasok mga suki.
Kiko Barsaga is hereby recognized.
Okay.
Yan na.
Testing.
Yan yung kanyang ano kanina eh. Parang inirekomendang isuspindi siya. Ayan, oh.
I wholeheartedly accept the decision of the committee, but I maintain my stance that President Marcos must be held accountable for his crimes. Too many people have died and too much money was plundered from the Filipino people for us to stand down now. Whatever punishment may fall upon me and others who stand against this president who has lost his constitutional...
Yan ang tunay na may bayag. Yan. Kasi yung katulad nung si Bayot ng Canada na naghahamon ng debate, kala mo naman pupunta siya dito, hamon. Kung gusto mong magdebate, uwi ka dito ka magsalita. Yan. Para you are held accountable to whatever you're going to say. Kasi you are a fake news Bayot.
mandate. His constitutional mandate of serving the
Mr.
people is
Speaker,
inconsequential
point of
in
order.
relation to the amounts of lives
Mr. Speaker,
and
point of
futures
order.
that will be saved when
Majority
President
Leader.
Apakatarantado nung pumipigil Freedom of speech niya yan eh. Pinipigilan nyo.
Marcos leaves Malacanang. It took the deaths and imprisonment
Point of order, Mr. Speaker.
to bring Marcos Sr. to
Point of order, Mr. Speaker.
Kita ninyo? Nagsasalita pa, binastos na ninyo kaagad eh. Di ba? Ito.
Mr. Speaker, after a thorough deliberation on the case, the committee finds that the actions of Rep. Barsaga in posting incendiary social media content through his Facebook accounts and in retaining and failing to remove publicly viewable, inappropriate, and indecent photos to be unparliamentary and unbecoming of a House member, taken in their entirety, the actions of Rep. Barsaga bring contempt, discredit, and disrepute to the name of the House of Representatives. His actions reflected negatively upon the dignity, integrity, and reputation of the House of Representatives as an institution of the members of the House individually and collectively. Consequently, the committee finds Respondent Representative Kiko Barsaga of the 4th District of Cavite guilty of disorderly behavior by violating Section 141A Rule 20 of the Rules of House of Representatives, 4C of RA 6713, or the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials and Employees, and by engaging conduct unbecoming of a member of the House, and recommends the imposition of the penalty of 60 days suspension from office without the benefit of salaries and allowances during the period of suspension, with a stern warning that repetition of similar misconduct will result to a more severe disciplinary action. In addition, Mr. Speaker, the committee recommends that the respondent Barsaga be directed to remove all 24 social media posts subject of this case within 24 hours from adoption of this report in the plenary.
Alam mo, grabe yan ha. Grabe yan mga kababayan ha. Ang ganda nga nung sinabi kanina nung isang congressman eh. Inalimbawa niya yung yung Bill of Rights, yung may karapatan tayo na sabihin ang ating saloobin. Sabi niya doon, napakaganda nung bahagi na sinabi niya na kahit hindi mo ito gusto o kahit hindi mo gusto yung pamamaraan ng pagsalita ng isang tao, hindi ka pwedeng pigilan. Hindi mo pwedeng pigilan yung tao na yun. Kahit pa hindi parang nasa norm yung pagsasalita. Kasi it's freedom of speech. It's talagang matindi. Unless, isa lang naman ang ang parang exemption dyan eh. Kung yung sinasabi mo magkukos na makakapatay ng tao o magbabanta ka sa isang tao, yan. Pero yung sabihin mo lang yung saloobin mo sa isang namumuno, halimbawa si Marcos o kaya si Romualdez o kaya kung sino pa man, ay yan ay kalayaan mo. Even if it doesn't sound good or it doesn't sound decent. Diba? Kalayaan mo yan. Hindi pa pwedeng matanggal yan just because of ethics. Kasi bakit? Nasa konstitusyon eh. 'Di ba? no law shall pass abridging freedom of speech. That is including ethics. Hindi pwedeng gumawa ng isang patakaran ang Congress o yung House of Representatives na sabihin nila, hindi, against yan sa ethics natin. Hindi pwede yun. Bakit? Constitution ito eh. Always remember this, the Constitution is higher than any laws, any regulations, any ethics, whatever. Higher ang Constitution. So ibig sabihin, pag sinabi ng Constitution, no law shall pass abridging freedom of speech, ibig sabihin nun, walang batas, pamantayan na pwedeng ipasa, ipatupad, na nagpipigil sa kalayaan magsalita ng isang tao. Kaya nga alam mo, sa ibang bansa, ang tindi ng awayan sa House eh. Yung sa Congress nila, yung kanilang mga senators, mga congressman. Kasi malaya sila eh. Malaya sila ng kanilang pamamaraan, di ba? Although yung iba, umaabot na sa suntukan, yun, ibang usapan naman yung violente na yun. Dapat talagang hinuhuli yun. Pero kung ikaw isalitaan lamang, abay dapat bigyan niya ng kalayaan even if you don't like it or the way kung paano niya sinabi yon, kahit ayaw mo, kalayaan niya yan. Hindi pwedeng pigilan. Ewan ko ba dito sa Congress na to, gumagawa ng batas, di nila alam. Ngayon, mantakin mo pinabubura pa yung social media post ni Kiko Barsaga. Ayan sinabi pinabubura
4 hours from adoption of this report that the respondent Barsaga be directed to remove all 24 social media posts subject of this case within 24 hours from adoption of this report in the plenary. Mr. Speaker, let this be a reminder to all the members of the House of Representatives that as trustees of the people, we are expected to conduct ourselves in a manner that would reflect the dignity of our position in society and in public service. Let us be more circumspect in our acts and words and be mindful of the high standards of propriety required of us as legislators. Maraming salamat, Mr. Speaker.
Grabe, no? Di ba? Ang lupit nyo. Ang lupit ng Kamara above the law. Ha? Kayo ay above the law. Sa bagay, pagka talagang lutang ang pinuno, pati yung lutang din. Ulitin ko, pag sinabi kong lutang, lutang sa kapangyarihan, ha? O kaya di pala lutang, lulong. Sorry. Pag lulong sa talagang ganyan magdesisyon. Lulong sa kapangyarihan.
Kami ang boses ng masa, hindi natatakot. Katotohanan lang, di kami nalulunod. Walang bahid ng sismis, lahat ay totoo. Kahit sino ka pa, pag mali ka babanatan ka. Walang pinipiling kulay, wala kaming kinikilingan. Basta para sa bayan, kami lalaban. Pagdama palakpakan, pag mali banatan, di matitinag, di matatakot. Para sa bayan, tuloy ang sigaw. Sa harap ng kamera, walang halong takot. Mga baluktot, lahat kayo'y